Hey, beautiful people, I want to teach you guys how to get stronger scores by just having different accounts. So diversifying your credit by having different accounts on your credit reports. So if you guys watched my videos before, you know I tell you guys you need to have at least 4 credit cards, 2 installment accounts. If you can, get a mortgage, get an auto loan, have these different accounts on your credit reports, because I found that when you have these different type of accounts, your credit scores is most likely higher than those that don't have these different accounts. Now, if we were to look at the factors of FICO, then we'll see that about 10% is going to be based off of your credit mix. Now, I know we hear 10%, oh, that's not that much. But if you think about it, that means about 85 points is going to be based off of credit mix. So if you're lacking it, then that means that 85 points is not even there for you at all. You automatically lose that, okay? So I want you to have a credit mix so that you can have a higher credit score. Now, some people say, well, Rickita, I can't figure out like which credit cards I can get approved for. And I want to teach you all like the different credit cards you can get approved for, how to pre-qualify for credit cards. And those people that have like really bad credit, because I like to focus on you guys. I don't think I'm going to leave that space. I'm not going to leave that space. When you guys got good credit, you can get any credit card you want, to be honest. Like, you should be able to get any credit card. When your credit is excellent, you don't have to worry about, why did I get approved? They're going to most likely say, hey, we're going to give you a credit card. But when the people, for those people that don't have the best of credit, they're still trying to figure out, okay, you saying credit mix, I can't get a credit card. Like, which ones can I get? And I'm here to help you all with that. So make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down below in the comments. Now, on my website, Rickita.com, it took me a while to put this together, but I found that it's going to be very beneficial for so many people. I use it right now for a lot of clients when I'm even looking for credit cards. If I have to apply for credit cards, I still go and look at the same thing, you guys. And I know you're looking at it early. It's going to be so revamped. I'm going to make sure I continuously add approvals on here so you can see which people are getting approved for what credit card, okay? Now, if you want to schedule a call with me or someone on my team, please go ahead and click right here on schedule a call. If you're looking to buy a home, definitely go ahead and click that home buying application and fill it out. I have dispute letters here. I have my memberships here. And then at the bottom, we have a credit cards, okay? So these are different lists. So these are the best credit cards for bad credit. Not only is the better credit cards in there, but it's also loans in here, different loan programs in here. Also, we have the best credit cards for student, best credit cards in general, best credit cards for travel, best credit cards to build credit, best credit cards for gas, and best ones for rewards and cash back. Now, I want to target those people that probably don't have the best of credit. We're going to go with those first because I just feel like that's what my channel is catered towards. And if you can get any other credit cards, check out these other lists. Like, the best ones I like, the best ones for rewards. Or if you're traveling, get the ones for travel. But I just like cash. And a lot of times, if you want to get cash back, they're going to most likely get a reward. If you're going to get a reward, you're going to most likely get cash back. But the reward is when you first sign up for a credit card and they say, hey, you're going to get $150 to spend this amount of money within this many days, and you're going to get that reward. So definitely check that out if you guys have better credit. Now, let's go ahead and check out the best credit cards for bad credit. So if your credit is bad, make sure you have at least 4 credit cards reporting onto your credit report. Some people don't understand that credit is, can you take my money and can you pay it back? Your credit report is companies telling other companies, yes, Rickita or whatever your name is, Samantha, she took my credit and she was able to pay it back. That's it, and how often, how much of it you're spending, that's what it is. So if you don't have at least 4 credit cards, you need to get on it. Now, the self Visa card, this one first start off as an installment account with self, where you have to pay $25, $45, $48, $35. You can pick how much you want to pay per month for 48 months. Well, no, for 24 months or for 2 years, you pay a certain amount. And then after you have at least $100 in your account saved, 3 consecutive payments, then you can do that self Visa card. But you can get a 2-in-1 deal for that one, which is what I really like. And it's as simple as just making sure you got 4 credit cards and 2 installment accounts. Literally, if you already got a car, that counts. If you already have student loans, those count. But I do, even with me having my student loans, I still found out that Kickoff increased my credit score. We're going to go over that next. Self increased my credit score, even though I had already a card on my credit and I already had student loans. I found that having those additional accounts still increased my credit score. So I want you to possibly think about still getting other installment accounts, even if you have student loans. The credit builder card, I like this one because they'll allow you to get 2 credit cards without a credit check at all. It's a secure credit card, but some people may need that. Also, this is the kickoff account. This is more like an installment account. They have an installment account on here, the credit builder account, and then they also have the one where they'll report a $750 account to your credit report. You just pay $5 per month. So look into that. And there's a lot of other credit cards on here that you all can check out. Okay. But I just want to go over those because those are ones that I just feel like really look into getting. Okay. Now, like I told you all, if you have better credit, check out like the best credit card for rewards. If you guys are looking to get rewards, the ones for you all. Let me actually show you. So we got the Discover It Cash Back credit card. We got the Chase Freedom Flex credit. Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card, City Double Cash. So they giving $200 cash back. Now, some of this stuff too, these videos may be older for you all. Go to their website. You can click right here on Apply Now. Go to their website and check. Sure, sometimes they can change their offers. Okay, the Blue Cash Preferred Card, US Bank. So all these offer rewards. Now, I also have some personal loans on here for those people that are looking to get personal loans. And you can put personal loans on here. Personal loan. Let's put personal loan without an S. Let's go ahead and search because I have a search bar on my website where you can see companies that will give you a personal loan. So Best Egg will give you a personal loan. Let's go down and see if there's some more. You know what? Since we know Best Egg is going to get personal loans, let me show you another thing I set up. So each of these credit cards, I know I showed you the list already. Each of these credit cards and loans, they actually have their own page. So when you go here, you'll get more details on the Best Egg loan. Okay, so I have a video on it. You can apply for it. You can get a free downloadable guide that can teach you more about it. So they can approve you all the way up to $10,000. So that's really good. And some more loans is the Avant, the One Main Financial, the lending point. So all you have to do is just click on them and then they'll take you to the One Main or the Avant, the lending point, whichever one you want to look at. It'll take you to that website. And again, you'll see more details on it. Okay. And you'll see like there's different ones always at the bottom that you can check out. Now this one don't look like I finished that one out yet. I'm gonna have to put that on my list of one I'm gonna have to have finished. I'm rushing now to get all these finished so that they'll all be here for you all when you come and check. Also another personal loan here. And this one, the ones that's going to be similar to these are actual credit cards. So definitely check that out. Make sure you all have different accounts reporting. That's really the key. So don't just have, just credit cards. And don't just have one either. Have 4 credit cards. Make sure that they're different too. So have 4 credit cards. Have, if you can help it, if you already have a card, that's good. Don't get a card just so it can report, but get some installment accounts added. Get a charge account. There are 2 more credit cards. Credit card I have. Get that one added if you need to. It's going to report to the credit bureaus for you all. That's a great one for you. If you don't have a mortgage, if you plan on buying a house, that mortgage is going to start helping you. But just make sure that you diversify your credit. If you all have any questions, please let me know. And check out also my 60 points in 60 days. So when you go to Rickita.com, you'll be able to see it right there at the bottom. So let me show you what I mean. So go to Rickita.com. So right under these credit cards, and you'll see my 60 points in 60 days. So 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. And it's a free webinar. I teach you all how to increase your credit scores because increasing your credit score is going to make a big change in your life because now you can have more options and credit cards and loans that you can get. And you can lower your interest rate too. When your credit score is very low, they charge you more in interest. Okay. So please make sure you have the best credit score that you can have. And I'll see you guys in the next video.